If your Etsy shop is getting views but no sales, your titles might be the real problem. Most sellers think titles are just a place to stuff keywords, but that mistake can actually kill your ranking. Here's the surprising truth. Etsy's algorithm doesn't just reward keywords, it rewards clarity and click-through. And according to Marketplace Pulse, almost 60% of Etsy listings never get discovered because their titles confuse both the algorithm and the buyer. So how do you fix it? Step 1. Use keywords naturally. Put your main keyword at the front of your title, but make sure it still reads like a human sentence. For example, instead of handmade necklace boho jewelry gift women, write boho necklace gift for women handmade jewelry. This works because search engines love clarity and customers love flow. Step 2. Balance search and emotion. Yes, keywords matter, but emotion is what makes someone click. Adding words like unique, personalized, or cozy can spark curiosity and make buyers feel the product is made for them. Step 3. Focus on buyer intent. Think about what your customer is really searching for. If they want a gift, add gift in the title. If they want a style, add boho, rustic, or modern. This works because intent drives conversions, not random keywords. Now here's the part most sellers don't realize. Writing optimized Etsy titles every week takes time, and staring at a blank page can feel overwhelming. That's the problem. And it gets worse when you need not just titles, but also descriptions, tags, ad copy, and email text. The frustration builds, and many shop owners just give up or settle for weak copy that never sells. But there's a simple solution. aicreatormax has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like AIDA, PAS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster, so you can spend less time typing and more time selling. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip: test 2 versions of your titles. Sometimes swapping just one word can lift your clicks by 20% or more. And here's a light thought. Your Etsy title should not read like a puzzle of random words. If it looks like alphabet soup, you know it's time to rewrite. Now you know the insider guide to writing Etsy titles that rank and convert. This video is part of a mini course playlist designed to help you write copy that sells across Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, and more. So binge the rest of the videos to get the full playbook. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your biggest struggle with Etsy copy. And don't wait until tomorrow to fix your titles. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com, because every day you wait is another day of lost sales.